Hello everyone, I am Parul Jain. I am the franchisee owner for Niti Khand 1 branch Indirapuram. The experience so far with Petals Preschool and Daycare has been fantabulous. As a mother myself of a 2-year-old kid, I was really skeptical about when I took the decision of, investing myself, my money, my time, my everything with Petals, because the business nowadays has become like a fish market whereby you can see the preschools everywhere, but the quality is not delivered. The promises are not delivered. But when I went to Petals, I saw the marketing team, the management team, the operations team, the technology, and the IT team behind it. I was really happy with it. It's been approximately 9 months. We opened our branch in the month of November. The experience so far has been fantabulous. I, as a franchisee owner, really does not have to do a lot because my branch head is taking care of the branch very nicely, along with the support that has been given by the head office team here in Nirman Vihar, where they take care of the hiring process, the training process, the operations, the marketing. So what I really like about Petals is when 2-year-old kid comes to the school, they have this separation anxiety because they have been separated from their parents for the very first time in our life. But the way the teachers have been trained to take care of the kids, to make them aware, to make them happy, to make them cheerful, so that they enjoy coming. So they love coming to the school, and the best part is the beautiful uniforms, the vibrant uniforms. The kids love wearing their uniforms. Agar unko casual day hota bhi hai, they don't like, they want to wear their uniforms. When I invested in Petals, as a business person, I'm from a business background. So as a business person, I had some concerns as to how much is the risk, what is the return that I'll get, is that a good investment or not. So this I'm talking about from the investment purpose. So during the meeting with the head, Mr. Quatra sir, he made it very clear that you have a zero risk model. If you don't like the franchisee, you can give it back to us. We'll buy it happily, because that's the confidence they build in us as a franchisee owner as the model stays. Also, with the returns that I'm getting till now, I'm happy, I'm satisfied. One of the promises that we as Petals Preschool and Daycare promise to our parents is Set Connect. If we bifurcate the term Set Connect, it is social emotional development. But we have segregated the term as Student Educator Connect. So what happens is in the initial stages of admission, that once the child is enrolled, is active in our system, the child obviously has a separation anxiety. They have this stranger anxiety also, because they'll be seeing the new faces, lots of new faces for the very first time in their life. The parents have this separation anxiety. So to curb this problem, this is one of the promises, Set Connect, whereby we send our educator, our trained teachers to their residence. They'll spend good about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, depending on the child, depending on the way the child is interacting with the teacher. What happens here is there is a 3-way development here. First, child gets to know the educator, the person, the teacher who will he be connecting with once he enters the school gates. Second, the teacher gets to know the child in a better way, so that once the child enters her class, the teacher gets to know, how should I deal with that child? Should I be reciting poems? Should I be talking in stories? Should I be taking care of more of, the activities with him or her? And lastly, the parent. I as a parent personally have felt, mera bachcha jiske paas ja raha hai, how is the teacher? How will she be dealing with him? Will my child be able to settle? Will my child cry a lot? Will my child be able to eat his food, his meals? So once the teacher goes to their residence, the parent is satisfied. The parent gets to know the teacher, and this will help us build a future long-term relationship. Thank you.